how long will it take Mohammed to repay a loan, right, of 1 million, right, if he repays 16,000 a month? This word here, loan, and the fact that 16,000 is paid per month is an indicator that we are dealing with a present value annuity. Okay? Then the question says the interest rate on the loan is 11.2% per annum, sorry, per annum compounded monthly. Right? So the word how long means time. So that's N now. If any question says how long means it's time. Therefore, logarithms. Alright? So here, write our formula P equal to X times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to the power of minus N all over I. Our P is 1 million, right? X is 16,000, 1 minus 1 plus. I is 11.2%, which is 0.112 over 12. Now your N, that's the one we want to calculate, right? This is all over 0.112 over 12. Right? Now, do you agree with me? By now, we should be able to understand this now. We are going to multiply this by 1 million. You agree with me there? Then the answer that we get, we divide that answer by 16,000. Okay? Are you following that? Then, once we divide both sides by 16,000, the square bracket disappears. Right? When it disappears, we're left with this 1 minus that. This is 1/10. Right? So we can take it to the left, then we come follow this over here. But okay, let me do it step by step. So, saying 1 million, just to avoid confusion, because this one is not like a feature value. So 1 million times 0.112 over 12. This answer will divide it by 16,000. We will be left on the right with 1 minus, open circular bracket, 1 plus 0.112 over 12, raised to the power of minus 10. Are you following that? Huh? Then can you get this answer on the left? 0.58. 0.58. Which if it's 0.58, that's 58 over 100. We can simplify it to what? 7 over 12. So we can just write 7 over 12. So what that means is, I'm just going to write it as 7 over 12. Right? Let me write it nicely. Are you following? Yes. So this will be 7 over 12 is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 0.112 over 12, all raised to the power of minus 10. Now, do you agree with me that from here now, I can take the exponential term, which is negative, to the what? To the left. Then it becomes positive. Then I'll take this 7 here to the what? To the right. It becomes negative. Are you following that? Huh? Okay. So, we'll end up having 1 plus 0.112. Am I writing correctly there? Over 12. This is raised to the power of minus n. 1 minus 7 over 12 will give you 5 over what? 5 over 12. Are you following that? Then, this is now an exponential equation. We want to solve for n, but the n is negative. But that's not a problem, because the logarithm of a fraction between 0 and 1 is a negative value. So eventually your n must be a what? A positive answer. So we drop down the n, but it will be negative. Minus n will be equal to the logarithm. This will be the base, so that will be 1 plus 0.112 over 12, right? And the number that you are finding is logarithm, it's a fraction, which is 5 over 12. The answer that you get is going to be a negative. It will be negative what?
So the answer is 94.24.
94.24.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay. There's a negative there, therefore n is going to be 94.24. Now this is 94.24 months, right? But we are supposed to convert it to a what? To years. So we divide this by 4. Therefore, n is going to be equal to 4 into 94. That's 7. 7.85. 7.85 years. Okay, then you are done. Yes. Okay.